Mga KML o kamotor lover yan. Nandito tayo mga boss sa may Newtown Plaza. Bali ito siya. Yan, dahil kaya tayo nandito dahil ang pala naman ngayon ay today is August. Yan, August ano na ngayon?
17.
August 17 yan dahil anniversary ni Mama at saka ni Papa at syempre yung kapatid ko na si Ami at saka yung bayaw ko na si Patrick Garas. Yan. Bali double wedding anniversary mga boss yung may held dito. Kaya dito tayo kakain yung eat all you can doon, yan, pwede tayong magmukbang. Kaya kami nandito ngayon, kompleto yung pamilya namin. Kaya syempre, ito yung hindi pa tayo nakapunta na magmotovlog. Kaya dito tayo ngayon. Yan, kaya samahan nyo kami mga boss sa masayang pangyayari itong araw na ito. Yan, itong double wedding anniversary sa aming mga magulang. Kaya masasabi ko sa aking mga magulang, happy anniversary, Pa. Yan, more anniversaries to come. At alam ko na enjoy nyo dahil 57th years anniversary na nila. At syempre yung bayaw ko rin, si Patrick Garas at si Ami Garas, yan, happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Bali 27th years anniversary na din nilang dalawa. Yan, kaya happy anniversary sa inyo. Yan, paano na mga boss? Punta na tayo at kakain na tayo. Yung mga kami nga di ikaw na dito. Say hi baby. Hi. Against the light Wow, and then this is my Pochoy, my apo. Yan. Tulog na tulog si Pochoy, oh. Pogi. Okay ka dyan ha. Yan.
Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I'll never know, a place I know will most. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. To me, be mine for a lifetime. It's the little things that make our hearts beat. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say I know we've waited and we've here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime. Every day I swear I need you. With each glance I love you more and our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar for a lifetime of our love yous. Two hearts, one beat. Whisper to me, be mine for a lifetime. It's the little things that make our hearts beat. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say mine. I know we've waited and and here we are for a lifetime. Forever and ever for a lifetime. Now I can't get you out of my mind. Your tears, your touch, your lips, your love, your sight, your stare. Your heart, your arms, your lips, your love, your stories. Our tears, our prayers, our laughs, our love, our smiles, our songs, our stories. There are for a lifetime. I'll love you. Two hearts, one. You whisper to me, be mine for a lifetime. Little things that make our hearts beat. for a lifetime. It's the little things that make our hearts beat. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say goodbye.
Kyle, teka ba lang?
I know we've waited and
Nalate ka, no? Pagupit ka? Nagpagupit ka?
here we are.
Ay, yan yung panganay, pinakapanganay sa mga pamangkin ko. Yan, si Kyle.
Forever and ever for a lifetime. Forever, my soul found you and fell in love.
Okay, so una-una sa lahat, happy 57 years kila Papa Idong tapos kay Mama Linda. Maraming salamat sa inyo dahil kayo yung naging source of inspiration namin. Dahil sa inyo, dito po kami lahat. At pangalawa naman, happy 27 years to my parents, kay Daddy, kay Mommy. Maraming salamat. At dahil sa mga sakripisyo nyo, dito kami ngayon. Ayun na, happy anniversary and 2 more years. And 2 more years and 2 more years of good health. Yun lang.
Happy anniversary, Mama, Papa, Mommy, and Daddy. Love you all and wishing you good health and 2 more years. Two more years pala. Okay, love you. Happy anniversary.
Happy 57th anniversary, Mama and Papa, and happy 27th anniversary, Tita and Tito. More anniversary po sa inyo and stay strong.
Happy 57 years of love po, Mama and Papa, and 2 more years of love po. And to Tita Ami and Tito Patrick po, happy 27th anniversary po. Sana po mas madami pa pong celebration ang masi-celebrate natin together po with the family. Happy anniversary po, Mama and Papa, and happy anniversary din po, Tita Ami and Tito Patrick. Sana po, yung years po na magkakasama po kayo would be blessed, and whatever struggles or paghihirap po na mararanasan niyo po ay makakaya niyo pong magkasama. Yun po, love you po.
Happy 27th anniversary, Tito, Tita, and happy 57th anniversary po, Mama and Papa. More years to come, and may you love each other more po for each anniversary that will pass.
Okay.
Happy anniversary po, Mama and Papa, Tito and Tita. Wishing you happiness, good health, and many more years of joy together.
Hello, Lola and Lola. Happy 57th year anniversary, and Tito Patrick and Tita Ami for 27th year anniversary, and more anniversary to come po.
Hello po, Lola at Lola. Happy 57 years anniversary po. Sana po madagdagan po ang iyong anniversary. At po kay Tito Patrick at Tita Ami po, happy 27 years anniversary po. Pwede ba naman?
Oh, go! Hindi yung pan, serious. Lakasan nyo boses nyo. Go!
Happy anniversary, Papa, Mama, and Papa.
Kay Mommy at kay Daddy.
Kay Tito at Tita. Happy anniversary.
Okay, ulit. O sige na, bilisan nyo kasi nandyan na sila. Oo. Compress. Doon ba ka? Yan, ganyan. Okay, good. Tingin dito. Go.
Happy anniversary, Papa, Mama, Daddy, at Mommy. Tito at Tita.
Sige.
Tito, ba't ako?
Kapag natapos na yung dalawang pinsan nyo na magsalita na Mami, Daddy, magsalita na kayo, Tito, Tita, happy anniversary, more blessings to come, mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo. Good? Okay. O, sige, compress. Okay, good. Compress. Para di ko ilaw ito. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy anniversary, Mama and Papa, Daddy at Mommy, Tita and Tita. Mabuhay kayo hanggang sa gusto niyong mabuhay. Happy anniversary, Papa and Mama, Daddy and Mommy, Tito and Tita. Mabuhay kayo hanggang sa gusto niyong mabuhay.
Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine for a lifetime. It's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime.
Every day, I swear I need you. With each glance, I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine for a lifetime. It's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. Forever and ever for a lifetime. Forever, forever.
My soul found you and fell in love. Now I can't get you out of my mind.
Your tears, your touch, your lips, your love, your laugh, your songs, your stories.
Your heart, your arms, your lips, your laugh, your love, your songs, your